Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're reviewing 4 Hondas today. These are all like really small Hondas, so yeah. Look at these, they're so small. So yeah, today we are going to open them today. So we have 4 cars today instead of free cars. So yeah, let's do this video. Yeah, so first we got the custom 1970 Honda N600. Looking pretty nice, and it's from the J Importers series. So let's crack it open. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, wow, look at that. Let's just get a little zoom in. Just take a look at that logo. Wow, look at that. We got a little gas tank there. It's the little wheels, very shiny underbottom, and also what is that little logo right there? It's pretty cool. But yeah, let's put them on the rotator. But yeah, if we take a look at this car, it looks pretty cool. I really love that green color. I don't know, that green on it just, I don't know, it doesn't really fit me. Black tires are okay. Maybe it would have been nice if it had some chrome on it, or maybe it could have had like a different color. Maybe you can have an orange or maybe a red. That would be kind of a nice color. But just take a look. It's pretty cute. I like it. It's really small. It's got some pretty cool black rims. And also, guys, I do have another version like this, so I will grab it. So yeah, guys, I'll just get it. It's in my room. Just need it. So yeah, guys, take a look. Wow, I have 2. So yeah, right now I have 2 of these. I have 2, and I also have another one. Yep, I have 3 of these. So yeah, if we take a look at the brown one, so the brown one is like a really nice color. I really love the red interior of the car, and also the chrome rims. Also the underbelly, which is really shiny. So you got those 3 Hondas, pretty cool. Look at them. But yeah, let's take them off. Put them aside. Also, guys, I have this Matchbox. Right here, Matchbox car. It's like an electric one. Got some really cool wheels. And the eyes on it are like really blue. It's got some really interesting rims, which I really like. Pretty shiny, pretty cool. Next car we are gonna open is the 1988 Honda Civic CR-X. So let's open it. Whoa, look at that, man. Put it on the rotator. Let's take a look at this car. Wow, just look at this Honda. This Honda is like CRX. Even got the logo on the back. It's got the Honda logo there. It's got this really interesting bright red. And if we can take a look on the rims, it's a little bit scratched on the rims, but that's okay. It's an error, but this car looks really cool. I love those black kind of lines that are surrounding the bottom of the car. It's also got the nice Honda logo right there. It's like a plug, And the rims are maybe, they're good, not bad. The rims on it are okay. They could have done maybe some different rims, but these rims are pretty good. Oh, look at them. But yeah, this car is honestly pretty cool. I like it. It's got a very interesting design, very interesting. But that's why I like it. It's pretty small too. So we got our small group. Yeah. Oh, that's too much. There we go. Next we got the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. So let's pop it open. Whoa, look at that. This is a beauty. Oh my god. Wow, just let's put that on there and take a look at that. Oh my god, the color on this car is like amazing. It's got these really nice blue. I love those gold rims. And that's really see-through glass. It's like really nice. It also says Bizon Motor. And this car is really small. I really like it. So I also have two of these. I have the red version and the blue version. I'm really loving the blue version because it just looks really good. Like, honestly, I wish I could drive this in real life. I really like the body shape for the car. It's like got this really cool panel. And it's like a little tiny box, little Amazon box, and I love it. It's just like one of my favorite Hondas. I don't know, probably a thing. But honestly, this Honda is pretty cool. I love it. It's so small. Look at little baby. Then afterwards, just take it off. Next car we got is we got another one. Honda City Turbo from Rio Rides. Take a look at that one. Wow, look at that. It's even got the little Honda logo right there. So let's put it on the rotator and see what it is. This car has got a really interesting design. This is number 2 turbo. And I don't know why, but it's just like this car just looks a little bit off. But it looks good, but, you know, I don't know. It's just something about it. I don't really like that really lime green. But the seats in it are pretty good, not bad. So it's got orange, black, blue, and white, which is pretty cool. I like it. But maybe the green, they could have settled off on the green and make it a little bit of more of a darker color. Because honestly, I don't really like it. But this is a pretty cool model. It has Honda right there. It says Honda. It's also on the underbelly. We got this cool little muffler that goes out from the side. It's also got these really cool rims. These are one of my favorite rims too. I really love that sunroof too. Because look, all the cars have these type of sunroofs on it. If we take a look, so you got a sunroof. And look, there they are. We got all three right here. We got red, green, blue. Look at that. That's so cool. Wow, just look at that. So we got those ones. We got this brown one. We got the other brown one. We got this blue one. And let's put the electrical one here. And this one right here. So, yeah, guys. To end the video, hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And also, yeah, guys, this is my third video making by myself. So I hope you really liked it. You, right there. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's really fun making these videos by myself and just like cracking open the cars. So yeah, guys, end the video. Hope you liked it. And yeah, bye. Bye.